It feels like walking on a cloud. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to come on here real quick to talk to you guys about a new shoe company or shoe brand I recently discovered. They're called Vivaia, and they are a relatively new company. They were founded, or the company was founded in 2020, and their main focus is to create stylish yet sustainable and eco-friendly, mainly shoes, but apparel as well. And how do they do this, you ask? Well, all their products are made from recycled material, and they use a 3D technology, so their team has been working very hard to create a zero waste process. And within the zero waste process, they basically created this 3D knitted design that really, it is the perfect combination of comfort, function, and style, as you'll be able to see later on in this video. And more importantly, what's really interesting about this brand or company is that every pair of shoes is basically a reincarnation of 6 plastic bottles that either come from city waste or the ocean. So with every pair of shoes you purchase or you buy from this company, you're basically preventing or avoiding 6 plastic bottles that would have eventually been found in the ocean or in city waste. To be honest, at first I didn't really know what to expect from this brand, but when I did try on their shoes, when I received them, they're so comfortable, they're so stylish, and the plus is that they're eco-friendly, they're sustainable, they're easy to wash. So I really do encourage you all to get out there, go on their website. It's www.vivaia.com. Obviously, their link will be in the description box below. And they have been featured in a bunch of different magazines like Vogue, InStyle, Cosmopolitan. So yes, it is a recent company, 2020, but they have already come a long way. And if you do visit, no, not if you do, but when you do visit their website, you'll be able to see that their main focus is really shoes. And they have, for any taste, they have a whole bunch, a whole variety. You can get, they have a bunch of flats, so you can get pointed flats, square toe flats, rounded flats. But not only that, they also have heels, boots, my favorite, mules. They have sandals, sneakers. They have something for everyone. And like I mentioned, although their focus is shoes, they also do have other accessories. What they do have, I found really interesting. They do have what they call removable bows, and it's basically a bunch of different bows or accessories to kind of play around with their shoes. So you kind of like snap them onto their flats or their shoes, and it kind of gives your shoe a different look. So you can kind of play around with the design of either your loafer or your flat. Aside from the removable bows, they also do have bags, washcloths, cleaning kits. They have a bunch of stuff, so really get on their website, you won't regret it. What's even better is that I do have a discount code for you all. What's great and amazing about them as well is that they offer worldwide shipping, obviously, but you also have 30 days to either return or exchange worldwide your product. So if you're not happy with what you received, which I doubt you will be, or if you ordered, if the sizing is wrong or whatever, you do have that option to exchange or return your product, but I doubt you'll do much returning when you do receive the product. So Vivaia was kind enough to send me 2 pairs of their shoes to kind of basically try on and give my thoughts on. And honestly, I did open these when I did receive them. I was blown away. They're so comfortable. It literally feels like you're walking on a cloud. I'm not exaggerating. They're stylish. Because of their knitted material, they're very easy to clean. They seem like they'll be very easy to clean, and basically you can't go wrong. And on top of that, you have the option of either returning or exchanging your products, so you basically have nothing to lose by giving them a try. So let's start with the unboxing. I'll start with my first pair. So my first pair of shoes are these. So I got the pointed toe everyday flat, and I did decide, they did have a bunch of different colors. I did decide to go for cream ivory just to be able to, I wanted a color, not black, but I wanted a color that did match everything, but a little bit more not black, different than black, basically a lighter color. So I can wear these in the springtime, in the summertime, in fall as well, with like cream colored or brown outfits. You can wear these with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt. They're just very versatile and easy to wear. And as you can see, I'm just going to remove this. As you can see, they are made in this like knit. It's thick. It feels thick and cottony, but stretchy at the same time material. So they're just so comfortable. And you do have a little V logo for Vivaia on the side. Now, what's great about these is the insole. You can tell just by looking that it's soft and cushiony, and just by like pushing it down with your fingers. They're so comfortable. So very happy about that. I like the little square, the square tip toe, pointed square. It's a little different. And the heel, what I love most is that the heel, it kind of looks like it's made in wood, although I doubt it is. But it just makes for a cute pair of flats to kind of throw on with, you name it, a pair of jeans, a knitted outfit, beige, brown, and also, honestly, you can wear these 3 seasons. Maybe not winter where I live, because you don't really wear flats in winter here. It gets just way too cold and there's way too much snow. But springtime, summertime, fall, you're covered with these. And if you're worried about the color, I did go for a light color. So yes, obviously they're more prone to getting dirty, but because of this material they're made in, they're very easy to wash and clean and get the dirt out. So even if they do get dirty, that can very easily be fixed. So now let's get on to the second pair. For the second pair, I really wanted something classic and versatile for the fall. So let me open and show you what I decided to go for. And honestly, warning before I show you, I'm obsessed with these, or this pair. I decided to go for the square toe chunky heel booty in solid black. So as you can see, I wanted something that I can wear all throughout the fall, and these are the perfect pair. Again, they are made in that same thick, cottony, stretchy material, although the knit or the pattern, the motif is different. So it's the same material, but it looks a little, the knit or stitching, I guess, looks a little different. I love the heel, the fact that it's slanted, it adds a little edge to the look. As you can see, if you look really closely on the details of this, it's very plain, just a black boot, like a black sock boot. You can see that there is stitching all around the foot, and I love the ribbed detail at the top. So that is always very cute. And once again, with these, just like the flats, we kind of have a square toe in the front, bigger and less pointed than the flats. And if you're not into square toes, like I mentioned, they do have rounded, they do have pointy. So I just went with square because I'm into that right now. But so that's that. The inside, again, it's also padded. The insole is padded just like the flats. So these are very comfortable. And the bottom, what's great is the bottom is in kind of a rubbery material. So when you do walk, it does absorb the shock, which makes the shoe or the booty even more comfortable. The heel isn't that high, for those of you wondering. It's about 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 2 inches maximum. So I mean, it is a heel, but it's not a crazy heel either. As for the sizing, I did decide to go half a size bigger than my usual size. I'm a size 6 usually, but sometimes, depending on the styles, the shoe kind of fits snug. In the booty, it's perfect. 6.5 is perfect because I will be wearing them with little socks. For the flats, 6.5 is all right as well, just because of the pointed toe. So because the shoe gets more narrow in the front, my foot has less space to move front. So although it is half a size bigger, it's still the right size for me. Just keep that in mind if you are ordering from them. As for outfits and this boot, basically the options are endless. You can wear them with jeans, black, blue jeans, whatever you want. You could wear them with skirts, dresses. Honestly, they go with everything. And the height, you'll see the height of the booty is just perfect. It's not too high. but it's not too low either. So basically the perfect length or height if you do want to wear them with skirts or dresses. Sometimes it can get a little tricky if the boot ends mid calf. It can look awkward sometimes if it's not high enough or not low enough, but these are honestly the perfect length. And I mean, how can you go wrong with a black pair of booties like these? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. A big thank you to Vivaia Shoes for today's video. I really thank you so much for helping me discover your brand, your company. I really do enjoy your shoes. I will get a lot of use of them, and I will be returning to your website for sure to order more. And honestly, you guys, I do recommend this brand. They are so comfortable, they are so stylish, they're easy to wash. What more can you ask for? And on top of that, they're sustainable and eco-friendly. I also, as I was filming this video, noticed, I found very interesting, every box of shoes on the inside flap, it does tell you how many water bottles you saved or you recycled by purchasing their shoes. So for my pair of flats, it's more than 6 plastic bottles, which is amazing. And for my booties, it's more than 12. Check them out. Their website, once again, is in the description box, www.vivaia.com. You should also check them out on their Instagram, Vivaia_official. Basically, for more event information, they do have a lot of events and different kind of promotions, as well as more outfit inspo. Their shoes are so stylish, and the outfits I've seen on their Instagram page are amazing. They have really helped me or inspired me to come up with my own outfits and like mix and match their shoes with my clothing. So take a look, you won't regret it. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave all your questions and comments in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to see you in my next one. Bye guys.